Zenderud Plast Industrial Group. Zenderud Plast Industrial Group, with more than 4 decades of experience manufacturing UPVC pipes and fittings, is the jewel in the crown of the Iranian piping industry. This production complex was established in 1986 with the approach of manufacturing high-quality products according to the Iranian national standards to improve the qualitative and quantitative level of the national production, create jobs, reduce unemployment rate, and satisfy customers. Zenderud Plast Industrial Group is now exploiting over 50,000 square meters in 8 phases. Phase 1. PVC Fittings Manufacturing Plant. Phase 2. PVC Pipes Manufacturing Plant. Phase 3. Warehouse and Warehouse Management Unit. Phase 4. Raw Materials Preparation and Storage Unit. Phase 5. Educational, Technical and Vocational Unit. Phase 6. Production and Development Unit of the Export Products. Phase 7. Pool Plumbing Supplies Manufacturing Plant. Phase 8. Push Fit Products Manufacturing Plant.